Amy, scrapping in my own private Idaho, and today I am doing another Follow a Sketch February. This is, I am on day 7. It is day 12. Well, actually today I'm going to do day 7 and day 9, and day 8 is already up. So doing them a little bit out of order, but trying to get them done. So this is a lovely two-page sketch. I will show you the sketch. It looks like it's by Creative Memories, and this is a Facebook group that is on Follow a Sketch, and I'm going to go ahead, and I did change things up a little bit. I am using some this paper was called Enjoy the Ride. It was offered through Stampin' Up, and it was created by Close to My Heart when we were just in that transition mode. And this is from the Full-On Workshop, and I am scrapbooking pictures that are from 1980. This is summer of 1984. That's what was on the back of the paper. And this is, I'm doing an album for my niece, which is this little girl. So these guys are both 40 now, so it's never too late to scrap your pictures. So I'm going to go ahead, and I used the base page. This base page is extremely old, Close to My Heart paper. I kind of like the color, and it didn't match badly. I was just trying to grab something because it's going to be completely covered over. So I cut this strip, and I did change things around to fit my needs of my pictures. So, and that's the beauty of a sketch. You want your sketch to reflect and meet the needs of your particular pictures. And sometimes it's kind of challenging to use these old pictures because they're dark, they're not focused. You didn't get 10 shots. You didn't see what you had captured until they came back from the store, and you took them down there on rolls of film, and then you had negatives, and if you liked a picture, it was all kinds of fun. Okay, so then this is the metal. This is a 6-inch piece, and so that is the 3 strips, and these are all. So this one is the back of that one. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, and then I'm going to put my strips down because we kind of do. It's not exactly a weave, but we kind of pull them in and out. So I'm going to kind of place my pictures, and I'm going to try to place them here. They're kind of odd shaped. Pictures back then were not necessarily, and they've been cropped. These are really, really old. So this was a day that me and my sister, I'm not in any of these photos because they're mainly for Monsley. So, they came over and we had a barbecue outside, and the kids played, and it was great fun. Oops, so this was, sorry, let's pull this back up. Okay, so this is actually, and you can see how I cut into it. You could use either side, but I use this side. I fussy cut a flower, and then I wound up not using it. So I want it to be kind of like this. So I'm going to put this here. And then they had it, if you look at the sketch, they had it halfway down, but I'm going to take it all the way up to the top. And I'm going to put this one under at 1. And I did add an extra strip just because my pictures were smaller and I needed something up top. So I'm going to put this down here like this, and my picture down here like this. Then you can see that they have much bigger pictures than I do. So that's why, oops, and now it's flopping all over the, let me grab a little bit more adhesive. I'm very light with this when I'm filming. And then I had this little, I should have wrote these things down because I'm going to probably forget where I place things. And I have, this one kind of goes right here. So I'm going to place this one down at 8. And I loved this workshop. It's been around for a while. I have to have and she has spaces in between, but I am going to go ahead and have this. This was from the workshop, and this is a super old brad that I'm putting on there. So is that down? Yeah, I'm going to put that down here. And I'm going to put this right here. And up at the top, I have this little one that says Hello Summer. I'm lapping it over, and I put the date right there so we would all know what date it was. I did not put the scallops at the top, but I do have this cool flower that's, it was just a leftover, but it matched well, and so there it goes. It's on there. So this is my left side. Oh, I forgot to do, sorry, this is all moving up. This is why I do it lightly. And it's so good that, because this is supposed to come right here. This is my journaling. And I just kind of look at my workshop. I tend not to do the workshops until I know I have pictures to go with it, because my goal for this year is to use up my ready-made or my pre-made pages and try not to add to the pile. So that's going to go right there like that. And you know what? I'm going to move this down a little bit like this. That can go like that. This right here. Kind of don't like that. Then I don't have a lot to say, so I can just put this under here like this, I think. And make it all even up, since I don't have, there we go. And then I forgot, I have these strips right here. So this strip comes right up here, so I'm going to just kind of have that one go this way. And I kind of like it like that, where one is over and one is under. I'm just going to do it that way. I'm going to call it good. And then I have this. This was, I could have used a zip strip, actually. One of these I do use a zip strip. Okay, move this down a little bit farther down. Yeah. This is going to go over like this. And then I have this cool zip strip. The blue. I'm kind of changing things as I go along. Do that like that. And then at the very bottom, you have this sticker sheet, and it kind of hangs over. So I'm going to show you what I do with that one. So this is over there. This is actually a sticker sheet. I wanted to see what it looked like, so so it comes up to right here, and then it stops. So I'm going to just go ahead and hang it up, and I will flip it up. Oh! Now you get to see my cute little white head. Okay, can still see me right there? Okay. It's going to go right there. And it's going to stop. I did change it a little bit, but like I said, it's all about how it matches the pictures on your page. Okay, so that is my right side. I'm going to set that aside, and we are going to go on to this. And I just didn't realize that I did not even do my so I'm going to dovetail these. I'm going to go up and middle, middle. And I am going to actually, whoops, put that down. And I'm going to put that right there. So I'll remember the order. Put this one right here, because we're going to have to make our base page. And you can always fast forward me if you're going too slow. Okay, so this one I made a boo-boo, and so I'm tucking it under. I'm not concerned that I had to cut it in half. I'll just make sure where it meets, it will go underneath. That's the beauty. Okay, so now same thing as the last one. These, hopefully I'll remember. I'm going to put my clusters together because, boy, I had a heck of a time figuring out those clusters. And I usually change them when I go to put them down. Okay. This one is just an extra. So I have my 3-inch piece down here. And I have, next time I will write down my measurements so I don't have to move my pictures, because I need to put my strips down. And you can use, this is an opportunity to use your super ugly paper that you thought, I call it what was I thinking paper, because this is, the base is totally covered up. Okay, so this one, so I got to bring my other page in so I'm lining stuff up. Okay, so I want my pictures, even though they're not the same size, because that's just how the cookie crumbled. So I'm going to put that, I kind of like that there. So that's going to go there. Then I'm just going to lightly tag this one at 9. It goes from 9 to 10 and a half. It's 1.5 inches long. And I'm actually going to bring that up a little bit. I want my, and I will trim that up at the top. It's easier to get it how I want it to be on the bottom. And, okay, so I'm just going to put that right down there. And I'm putting this down at, of course yours are going to change because you might have normal size pictures. I don't have normal size pictures. I'm going to put that right there. At a half, and I'm pretty light handed with that one. Next I'm going to have my other little picture right here. You can see those lovely couches from the 70s. Remember the big florals? We all had, I had orange carpet. My sister had brown carpet. She was so lucky. Okay, so then, okay, I gotta make sure this is, I'm gonna put a little in. Well, I'm gonna put that, I will put that down later because, remember, we are putting things on the top. Well, actually, let's put this, because this was a whole thing. I kind of centered it this way, and then I kind of centered it this way. Okay, so I'm just going to kind of tack this down because I've got to put my strips down. Next time I will write the inches so that it doesn't, and I cut this sticker out. This is a sticker, so I'm going to put my little sun, and this was extra. If I find cute things with Cricut, I usually cut out an extra, and then I put it in a pile, and that way I can add to little things later. This is a cute little sun. So I'm going to put this over here. This was from like a little card class. Okay, so this, sorry, I'm going to have to, and what might be easier is to, I'm actually going to, yeah, this one, I'll put this one last. It might be easier just to cut these and stuff them underneath. So I'm going to have this one go at 7. Let's see, yeah, that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to do it 7, and I'm just going to hack it off halfway through, and then I can put that underneath, and I won't have to look everything up since I didn't write down the measurements. Should have wrote down the measurements of my strips. So this one's going to go at 7, and I'm going to tuck it. And this one's going to go at 7, and I'm going to take this as elbow, and then I have my little pot plant. Okay, that goes right there. And this next one, I've already hacked it off. So this one, I'm going to, I want it to be an inch, so I'm going to just go ahead and have this at 5.5. Just going to lift this up really carefully. 5.5 and put this down. Live and learn. Woo! Everything's coming off the page. 5.5. Okay. And then this is going to go right there. I'll put my tree right back there. And I'm actually going to pop this up when I get off stage. Off stage, that's fine. Okay, so I'm going to stick this right here. This is going to be pop dotted because I'm going to put lots of things under here. Okay, I'm going to put my little heart. I love this because I think that's really cute. So, because the heart, it looks like you're saying love these moments. And then this one is going to be pop dotted. It's my big thing. So this is what I'm learning about clusters. You put your big thing down. This is a sticker. This is a specialty paper for workshop only. This is specialty paper workshop only, just in case you, and then I'm going to just slide these right here like this. And I'm going to do it ever so lightly, and then when I'm no longer filming, I will glue it down so that it will not wander. Okay, so now I need to get my other strips on. Oops, and where did I put these? Oh, these are going to come right here, but let's get our strips on first. Okay, look at that little cluster. So I'm doing 3 little clusters because I'm creating a triangle. And so here we go. So I'm going to put my red one right at the top, just like I did before. I'm going to go under and over. And that's going to have to come up a little bit. I'm glad I didn't glue it down too aggressively. That's always, you get to see the top of my head. I do apologize. I can have a pretty page and you not see my head, or you can see my head and it not be, yeah, things will line up a little bit better. So that's going to go under this one, and then we're going to sneak under you. Oh, I'll sneak under you. Ooh. We'll have to glue that one back down. Okay. Oh, this circle is real thick. Okay, so that one's going to go at 3. And then I'll put this one back down because it's at 7. Okay. And then we have our zip strip. And it goes over it. So I'm going to go under my green. You don't have to do that if you don't want to. Under, and then that one's going to go over. And I'm going to take that one down. And then I have the sticker. And it just goes, I'm going to have it go to this second, this second tag. I'll stuff it right there. All right. So now let's look at ours and where that is. This is my cluster that I just buried. I buried it alive. And these are all old things that's been just hanging around. I'm going to put them right here. Oops, I lied. Okay, let's put this back where it belongs. Cluster back where it belongs, and it's going to, I'm going to put a little bit more so you can see the final product. And then they have right here. So this is going to be my other cluster. And I have a little butterfly. It flew away. A cute little butterfly. And so this butterfly, it was kind of, I cut it out, and so I just drew a pencil line around it and made his body black, and I liked him way better. So I'm going to put this. These are like old, remember the old-fashioned brads? They're super cute. Then, bulk, but probably not any more than what foam tape would be. Okay, so this one goes here, and this is layout number 7. Thank you, Sandy, for making this available. And if you guys want to follow along, it's Follow Sketch February. It is a Facebook group. I'm real happy with how this turned out, especially with older pictures. Sometimes older pictures are kind of hard to do, but even though has a bright palette, it's light enough that it brings out the colors. I also did layout number, it doesn't have a process, but this is layout number 9, and you can see that I followed it fairly close. I have my strips. I tried some stitching. I have a title and a cluster. So this is layout number 9. So now I am only 3 days behind, so I'm feeling very proud. So I hope you have a blessed day, and if you have any questions or comments, just let me know. I do have one of these workshops left. So if you are local to me and you love this paper, reach out to me and I can fix you up. Talk to you later. Thanks. Bye.